This is all new. I'm really excited. All right, so first I'm gonna try the tender, and I'm just gonna dip them in a little bit of sauce here. Oh, this is amazing. This is incredible. Flavorful and flaky, and the texture is just so perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try the nuggets now. Wow! It's golden and crispy, but juicy and soft on the inside. It's perfect, and it's really got such a great texture. Wonderful. Last but not least, little chicken patty here. This is unbelievable. It's so good. I could make this into so many different dishes. Any stir-fry dish, a chicken parmesan. The patties could go in any kind of a sandwich. This could be on any menu across the country. Any dish that calls for chicken. No one would know the difference. So good. Thank you. I loved it.